this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut on laptop. So this is very easy. All you have to do is right-click anywhere in your desktop or in any folder and simply go to New and navigate the shortcut, which is the second option. And once you click on it, you want to click Browse and basically browse for the item or the program you want the shortcut. So click on Browse, find it. For me, let's say I want to create a shortcut to Discord. I'm going to click on Discord, press OK, and then you want to press Next. And then you have to give a name for the shortcut. So we're going to have it as Discord shortcut. And you want to press Finish. And as you can see, the Discord shortcut has now been created. Now that's the first way of doing it. And the second one would be to simply find your program somewhere. As you can see, I have Discord and Steam over here. I'm going to create one for Steam now. What you want to do is click on Steam and then right click, show more properties, show more options down on the bottom. Click on it. And then in here, you want to look for Create Shortcut down at the bottom, okay? You want to click Create Shortcut. And it says Windows can create shortcut here. Do you want your shortcut to be placed on desktop instead? Now, this will happen in case your program is anywhere in a folder where a shortcut can be created. And you can, of course, only create a shortcut on your desktop in case that happens, so you'll only have to press Yes. As you can see, the shortcut has now been created, and it's over here, the shortcut to Steam. So if you don't get that pop-up, that I just got, that's good, but if you do, you can simply press OK and you'll get a shortcut to your desktop. So that's it, that's how you create a shortcut on laptop.